Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sakura Petals effect on Higgsfield AI. Now this is what the Sakura Petals effect looks like, where petals just emerge from the subject as the subject so slowly disappears beneath or behind. So all you have to do is to just go to Higgsfield AI, and in all honesty, this is the best AI for all your VFX effects. There is literally no competition with them. They create mind-blowing video effects, picture effects. I mean, this is crazy. So all you have to do is to just go to this xv.ai, sign in or create an account if you do not have one, then click on the visual effects section here, scroll and choose the Sakura Petals here. You'll be brought to a page like this. Now the next step will be for you to just click on generate. But if you just want to recreate this exact one, just go on to click on them. But if you want to create a customized one, click on the generate one. You'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload your own image, and you know what, describe what you want to see in the prompt section here. Choose your model here. Choose also your duration, 5-10 seconds depending on the model. Some will be longer, some will be shorter. Then choose your resolution. The higher the resolution, the higher um the cost. So this is 5 seconds, this is 5 credits for 720p, and 1080p would use about 10 credits. So you can also use the free accounts, to generate some of these. And once you hit on generate, within few minutes you would see your video rendered in this area, and then you can proceed to download the video here. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, and yeah, subscribe.